Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Google Pixel 3 Lite. As we heard in the past that Google will be announced its upcoming Pixel 3 Lite smartphone sometime around Google I/O 2019, but this is leaked again a month earlier than its launch. Yes, again it's a Google device and again a leaked hands-on review. So the Pixel 3 Lite has a very same look as of the previous Google devices, but in this Lite variant it has a little bit bigger bezels, and this time Pixel 3 Lite's whole body is made up of plastic instead of glass and metal. The display size of the Pixel 3 Lite is going to be 5.56 inch with 1080 by 2160 resolution and 18 by 9 aspect ratio. The power button here in the Pixel 3 Lite has a little bit more brighter color than in the Pixel 3. The SIM card tray is now on the left side instead of bottom. The speaker is now on the bottom side instead of dual front-firing stereo speakers, and on the top it has the headphone jack along with a microphone hole. Under the hood it will have a Snapdragon 670 10nm processor coupled with Adreno 615 and 4GB of RAM. Furthermore, it will have 32GB of internal storage along with Android 9.0 Pie out of the box and the 2915 mAh battery juice. And according to the source, the battery life of the Pixel 3 Lite is almost same as of the Google Pixel 3. Now as for the main feature of the Pixel lineup, which is its camera, so according to a source who got their hands on of this device, Pixel 3 Lite's camera is almost same powerful as of the Pixel 3. The only thing is that it has a single front facing camera and it has no optical image stabilization on its back. Here are a couple of sample pictures taken by the Pixel 3 Lite's camera. If you want these pictures, then check out my Twitter account through the link down below in the description box. So yeah, this is all in this video. Let me know what you think about it, and please make sure to subscribe for more upcoming Google videos. And yeah, see you soon.